So except for this little guy, our sunflowers are pretty much spent. They had a nice run and they attracted lots of pollinators, lots of butterflies to the yard, which was really, really exciting. But you know, there's that thing that happens after sunflowers bloom where their heads get all dried up, and then something really miraculous happens, and their seeds, their flower heads, turn into the most amazing seed pods. I don't know if you can see that. These little seeds are just so perfectly tucked right in there. So neat and tidy. Sorry, it's all blurry. Huh? There you go. So yeah, it's kind of beautiful. It's kind of amazing how these seeds. Oh, that one said, "Let me go. I want to live. I want to create a new plant." Pretty amazing how sunflowers just do this. Yeah. So here we go. Alright, time to create another sunflower plant. I know that's what you were born to do. Would you like to say something? Oh, watch out. You gonna do some gardening? Can you do some digging? Yeah. Got a shovel? I know. Oh, you want some food? He's doing sign language there. He wants some food. Okay, friends. Well, I'm sorry about that. My son was eager to go inside, and I don't blame him. It's very warm out. But I just really wanted to enjoy this experience with you of sunflower seeds and planting them in the ground, and how amazing and miraculous it is. And look how the heads just naturally sort of bend over like this. I would imagine that the plan is to just stick themselves into the ground like that, and then the seeds will have some lovely soil and some lovely nutrient dense material like the head of the flower itself, and then it would just start growing in the ground, which is pretty amazing. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please comment, like, subscribe, and share. And then after you do that, go outside and have a sublime day.